I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you later, yeah, big truth. I keep a real good pace. Built a big house, damn, look at that place. Up in my mind, cause that's my space. House so big, full of positive things. And I can't be shook, cause I ain't no rook, man, I wrote the book. Now I teach how to cook them beats like, look, making things look good. I just want trophies, plaques with a whole goal if you know me. Got a gold record on the wall, look closely. Got that record all alone like lonely. I'm just sick of waiting cause I feel it's frustrating when I always put the hours in. But ain't nobody wanna recognize independence, it threatens their continent. So I chase that bag, trophies are dope but I'd rather have cash. Sitting in the bank cause I paid my tax. Living my life, my way, my path, I go. Move fast, anyone who ain't hitting full gas. Who that, choose that, hard work, that wins, true facts.
Welcome back, ladies and gents. We are here today to install a weightright system on this truck. You know, the ProStar, my 2020 did not come with a weight gauge, so I have a weightright system that I'm going to install. But it's gonna hook right into that airbag and go from there. I'm already got the tube ran already, so I'll run up here and it's gonna sit like right in this corner here so that I can use it. But right now I'm just getting the fittings done right. This is one of the airlines that came off that I'm splicing in half. But that it's gonna just sit just like that, and then this clear wire right here is gonna go on the top of here, and we will be done. So be back with you when the job is done. Once you put everything back together, it should look like this. I put some thread tape so I don't have any leaks. It should look like that, and these two connect back into this hole here and this hole somewhere up here. There's something right there. So they connect back in there, and I'll bring it back to you when it's hooked back up. It should look like that. You check it, make sure there's no leaks, and there wasn't no leaks, but it's all hooked back up. One thing I gotta do is install the weightright, which is gonna go right there where the hose is at. So once I get back to the house, I'll finish that up, putting that back together and redoing that, and I'll bring it over here to mount it. All right, welcome back. Sorry about the wind. So we are all fixed up. So see right there, tied in. It goes up the frame here. I couldn't really do too much with it here, so I mean it's loose, so it doesn't bind up. But there, and there we are. So she actually does work. So I got it, and look at that. See, it still works. 5,550 pounds, which is good. And make sure you got to turn it back off. Lock it back up. They're easy to install in. It's not going anywhere. And I got it ran underneath here, and go to right to the batteries. I got a fuse on it, so just in case it does blow. But positive, negative right there, and we're hooked up. So this trailer is actually loaded. I'm actually already loaded, so was gonna do some work by taking these skirts off, but I'll leave that for a different video. My mud flap bracket came in, so I do have that. Those are coming off. I'm putting new ones on there. So, but we're good for now, and that's how I installed it. And like I said, it's up and out the way, so it's pretty much right there. I don't know if I think I have to calibrate it. I just wind it so bad, but they got instructions right there on how to do it. But like I said, she works. She showed pressure on there, so which is 2.52 kilograms. Right, pounds, and good to go. Till next time.
I won't stop till I wear the crown.